This is a demonstration to show how to do a titration to analyse the vitamin C content of L-ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C solution. Please use the personal protection equipment provided as directed by your tutor. The equipment required is two 100ml volumetric flasks, some distilled water, a 100ml measuring cylinder, a 400ml beaker, and two 100ml beakers, as well as a 100ml conical flask, a dropping pipette, a spatula, a marker pen, a 10ml syringe, and a funnel. The chemicals needed are 1% L-ascorbic acid and 0.1% DC-PIP. Weigh out 1 gram of L-ascorbic acid and 0.1 grams of DC-PIP. Add 100ml of distilled water to the 1 gram of L-ascorbic acid. Pour the solution into a volumetric flask and make up to the mark. When filling the volumetric flask, ensure the bottom of the meniscus is level with the graduation. Invert the volumetric flask to ensure no undissolved solid remains. A small amount of water was added to the DC-PIP in a 100ml beaker to ensure the dissolving process begins. Fill the solution into a 100ml volumetric flask and make up to the mark. Place a small amount of vitamin C solution in the burette, then invert the burette. Dispose of the unwanted solution in a sink. Put 25 milliliters of DC pip into a 100 milliliter conical flask. Fill the burette with vitamin C solution to a point above the 0 graduation. Allow excess solution to flow through the burette. Allow the bottom of the meniscus to set on level with the 0 graduation. Allowing excess solution to flow through the burette ensures the burette is conditioned beyond the tap. Discard the excess solution as this may be contaminated from previous use. Results from the titration can be presented in the table as follows.
जी क्लास।
जी सर।
जी सर।
इसकी समझ आई?
यस।
जी सर।
आंसर?
जी सर।
समझ आ गई है?
जी सर।